Oh, I almost hit you in the face.
It was like this close. I felt the wind, so it felt closer.
This is my Christmas present for you,
Rob,
even though Christmas is all the way in December. So this right here is a very special skateboard to my heart. Can you guess why? Because it comes from my favorite store in the entire world, Dick's. You guys know I love Dick's. So I said, why not go and see what kind of skateboards they have at the best store in the entire world. And we found this right here online on the Dick's Sporting Goods website. And I saw the bear in the tuxedo, and I saw the yellow, and I thought of Carlos, and I was just like, we need to get this, and we need to see how it compares to Kryptonics and some other brands that they have at these stores.
It's like a tag.
There's a tag in there.
Like from a shirt. I've never seen.
That's a first. So we have Fetty who breaks everything, and we're gonna see if he can not break this board and then give it a nice comprehensive review on how good it is. I believe this is a roller derby skateboard, the RDB 30 series.
Look at helmet, knee pads, but they're putting rollerblades. This isn't a rollerblade. I'm confused. Are we supposed to rollerblade it? You needed to buy two. Tape them to our feet. So I'm gonna skate it with the plastic on, cause cool. It's like the cool thing to do, like not fully cutting your grip tape, just leaving it square. That's a cool thing to do.
I think before we actually start skating it, we should analyze the plies, if it's actually real wood, because a lot of Kryptonics boards aren't actually even real wood.
Sounds like you got some good snap.
It is quite surprising, actually.
And it's actually really light.
Oh, whoa. Half the weight of a normal skateboard.
I mean, mine's pretty light too, actually. This is also a 7.5, that's an 8, so.
True.
No, this says 9 ply.
What?
Did I miscount? Oh. Am I wrong?
What did he say? What did he say?
It says 31 by 7.5, so 31 by 7.5.
It really disappoints me that it's not
You didn't
mahogany.
count. It might actually be I mean, I don't know how strong of a metal they are.
But they look better than
Most.
most.
The wheels feel normal, which is surprising.
Oh, yeah.
They don't roll like this, but it's nice and smooth when it's on the ground. So.
Very nice.
And the trucks are very loose.
Wow.
It has good pop,
You can hear it.
like a normal skateboard. Actually, I think I'm going to take the plastic off because I want to see what the grip tape feels like.
You do whatever you want, because just the point of this video is that you skate this thing a lot and try not to break it. So if you need to like reset it up and tighten up the trucks or loosen up the wheels or something like that, that's all you.
Okay.
You do whatever you need to do.
It's actually
The
pretty.
grip's not bad at all.
Yeah.
That's the perfect amount of grippiness I like to skate on my boards, I know.
Yeah, I skate mob, so it's a little less grippy than mine. I'm trying to do this slow and maniacal. I don't think that's the right word, but okay. Well, let's thing there.
Oh,
It's actually like
that was pretty good.
it's good. It's
Wow.
pretty nice. Should go tighten the trucks now.
It's so warm in here.
You're welcome. Two. Three.
The thing about boards like this is that they don't really tighten.
No.
No, but that's the bushings though.
The bushings are terrible, and like once we get like a Walmart kind of board, you know, that has good bushings, that'll be the day, you know. All right. Well, should I start on the box?
Sure. That was great. Dude.
This might be the best one.
Seriously. Best one so far.
Oh no, no, no. The wheel wasn't spinning at one point.
I think it wasn't fully on the ground.
Oh no,
Damn,
no,
report.
no.
Uh-oh.
We're breaking that hidden ninth layer. We're finding it. Well, the trucks look like they're all right. 50 was so promising, and then now it's just.
The grinds even sound like real metal. Oh, that was good. Now we're getting somewhere.
You know, I think it's just like normal. So think about on a normal truck, you have to break in your kingpin, right?
Yeah.
Like you have to wind, like scrape it down to do smiths and stuff. Now imagine that on the whole truck. I'm gonna try and get the smith.
It is real wood.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna say it's the best wood, but it is at least real wood.
So let's just not do a backsmith again. So I'll try a different trick on this to test out the wheels. Going way too slow. Just want to see how easy they flat spot. Like most of the wheels would flat spot by now, but these ones are holding up.
Okay, that's better.
I just gotta go faster and commit her.
For a Dick's Sporting Goods board, it does roll pretty straight.
The trucks haven't got stuck one way yet. Like the bushings are bad, but they're not the worst.
That was insanely good. You like popped out of
I
that.
had to power through the whole thing.
Wow.
Just had to go super fast.
All right, well, so far success.
So far,
And, any signs of any breakage anywhere?
except for the from the Smiths, but I don't know. That's just like shaving. The wood is definitely weaker than like a normal skateboard. Not bad. It might be the best one.
We'll make a decision at the end of this video and let you guys know where the Dick's board stands compared to other skateboards we've tried. It's a little early in the video, but since it won't break the board,
Yeah.
let's do the power slide test. We'll test how the wheels work and let you know how they compare to a regular skateboard, which under these circumstances shouldn't flat spot.
It's so hard. They're so like they're very grippy. Yeah, they're actually pretty good.
No flat spots over yet, huh?
Yeah. One more. Uno más.
Ooh. It's like the wheel is screaming at you.
It's like the sound that like Spider-Man's web sounds like. So far, I think the best thing on the board is the wheels.
So we're gonna go to the hubba now. Fetty's gonna give it the nose slide test. And as you know, Fetty breaks everything, but he can also nose slide everything. We're gonna see how the nose slide test goes. That was easy and smooth.
The hardest thing for me is just the size, you know.
Yeah. If it were an 8, it might be the best board ever.
My foot got caught like that. If I was a parent, right, say I'm parenting looking for a skateboard, right, first skateboard, I would highly recommend this one, like, because you don't want to buy your child a skateboard that's like $100 and something and they never use it, right? But then you also don't want to buy them like a $14 board from like Walmart, right? This is the right amount of like in between to see if they like it, you know? If this was my first board, just, you know, seeing if I liked skateboarding, it's not terrible, but it's not the best, you know?
Yeah.
You don't always need the best.
When you skate the Walmart and the Target boards, the second you step on it, you have to be so careful with it.
They're just bad. Like the Target ones, like their grip, like what is that grip tape? It's like literally like sand. Oh. A little less oomph because it's smaller board. Whew, it's hot in here.
The Euro.
Ah, okay.
Because you need to actually maintain speed to get up that. I think that's a good
I feel
test.
like a lot of our Walmart boards haven't been able to make it up there.
Exactly. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Oh, that's easy. Made it up perfectly. No stopping, no sign of stopping. So you just had to break the bearings in a little bit. Not the best, but they roll.
That made it up really easy. What? That was sick.
Yeah, this is a good board.
Ooh.
See if it slides. Almost hit me in the tooth. I don't know if it's my shoes, but like, or the board. Well, we might be losing a little grip, little bit, but there's still some. Oh, that's hard. I like just try to like slide that last part, but it just stops.
The wheel sliding sounds like a zipper that you open really fast like this.
Yeah. I landed it, foot still on. It's a combination of wheel bite and not sliding.
That'll do that to you.
Yeah. Oh!
That was amazing.
I didn't slide it, but
It's all good. It looked good.
it counts.
I think we should do like one blunt fakie on the little quarter right there. Check out the transition ability, and then take it to the stairs.
If that was my board, I think I could have rolled away.
Agreed.
But the fact that I can't slide, you know, I can't like. Oh, okay.
Freaking front truck totally hit the coping and he didn't die somehow. Dude, that was your biggest kickflip ever.
I know, it has good pop. Really good pop.
If you throw a pair of Vans, it always lands up, right side up.
Oh. Did I win?
I don't know what you just did there, but that was awesome. I did the exact same thing this morning. I tossed it first try, landed right on the bottom, like upside down. And I was like, I win apparently in life because everyone is doing it. Dude,
That was a good one.
that was amazing. Wow. Dude. Yep, that's a Walmart board slam right there.
Most Walmart boards and stuff would have pressure cracks, you know.
Yeah.
Not this one.
Wow. Dude.
I didn't ollie it yet, you know. Always gotta ollie it. I heard a crack.
You did?
It might have just been the plastic.
It could have been. I didn't hear a crack for sure.
That's weird.
Nollie big spin the 5,
Yeah.
ender, and if it succeeds that, lip slide test, yeah.
Left side challenge.
Oh, that was so weird. On a normal board, you would have landed that. This one, you literally saw the board go, nope.
I wasn't going fast enough.
Amazing. All right, well, you landed the perfect nollie big spin. I think it's time to actually see if this thing will snap as easily as the other boards.
I think so.
I think it's gonna break. It's the thought that counts.
All right, review time right now
Yeah.
before we break it.
You skated the heck out of this thing.
This is like one of the first Walmart boards that I've actually skated it like it's my normal board. You know, like I was just like skating around, you know, doing tricks. Like even though it's a 7.5, like it's a good enough board to skate.
Exactly. And even if we do this test right now and it snaps, I don't want that to be like a negative thing that you see. Like, yes, I know if we put your full force down on a board on a rail, it's gonna break. But this board, I've never seen you skate any kind of cheap board like this well.
Yeah, and like the trucks are still like, they're not even bent. Like
Not bent. The wheels haven't flat spotted.
wheels haven't flat spotted.
There's no crack in the board whatsoever.
Nope.
Skated the 3 and the 5.
The only thing is like the grip is wearing a little bit. Like that's no big deal, you know? Yeah, the wheels don't slide as much as you want them to, but when you're first starting out, you're not gonna do much like sliding stuff anyway.
You're gonna be doing ollies and you're not gonna want to slide.
Exactly.
A Walmart board like Kryptonics, I'd probably put it a solid like 4 out of 10,
Yeah.
maybe. This one I'd put like an 8.
Yeah, I give it a solid 8.
Yeah.
After all this, it's still on hot.
Yeah. Yep.
There's still no feeling like that.
I definitely saw that coming.
That was so fun. Yeah, see, look at that wood. Like a normal skateboard doesn't look like that.
No, it does not.
But still, this is very good.
You know, it kind of smells like IKEA furniture. Test conclusive. I think this is the best cheap board we've ever skated.
It's like the cheapest, best board. Like,
Exactly.
the one at Home Depot was good, but that one was like $69.
Yeah, this one was only $39 on the Dick's Sporting Goods website, and it got here in like 4 days.
Wow.
You can't beat that.
No.
And Fed, you skated the heck out of your body today.
I had to be Nigel, Carlos, Uzi, you know.
Yeah, you had to beat the
everyone
entire
today.
team in one. We have some videos right there. Go ahead and click them. Go ahead and watch them. You guys will enjoy them. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and check out brailleskateboarding.com for all of your skateboarding needs. March 17th, we have a giant announcement coming. It's huge news. Like, it's going to change the entire world. Hope you guys are ready for it. Get hyped. We'll see you then.